everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to stream on Kick in mobile phone. So if you also want to stream on Kick in mobile phone, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in order to stream on Kick in mobile phone, first of all, you'll need the stream key and URL. For that, what you have to do is open Kick on any browser. Here I'm just going to open the Google Chrome. You can launch open any browser of your choice. After that, simply tap on the search bar and type in kick.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Kick. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your profile name over here. Also, you'll be able to find the option for channels, subscriptions and settings. Simply tap on the settings option that you can see at the third. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options like profile, stream URL and key, security, notifications and preferences. What you have to do is tap on the second option, that is stream URL and key. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find your stream URL and key over here. Now after you find it, what you have to do is launch open any streaming application. You can download any application that supports streaming. Here I'm going to use Streamlabs. You can download that application from Play Store and App Store. So if you have also downloaded Streamlabs, what you have to do is launch open that application. You can see over here Streamlab application has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can find two options over here, scenes and account settings. Simply tap on the option account settings. Now you'll be led to the account settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Under the section for connect accounts, you'll be able to find several options for Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Scroll down. At last, you'll be able to find the option for custom RTMP. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for setup. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to set up the custom RTMP. All you have to do is enter the name, URL and stream key. Simply enter the name. After you enter the name, what you have to do is enter the URL and stream key over here. So go back to the browser. Now over here, you'll be able to find the stream URL. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the icon for copy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now the stream URL has been copied. Go back to the application. Now paste that URL over here. Likewise, also enter the stream key. Simply go back to the browser, copy the stream key, come back to the Streamlabs application. Now paste the stream key over here. After that, what you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, your Kick account has been connected. In order to stream, what you have to do is tap on the option go live. After that, follow through the prompts and you'll be able to stream on Kick using your mobile device. So that is how you stream on Kick on mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.